Hey guys, here we are with the latest set of amazing gadgets you can find online. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. Nope, we do read the comments, so let us know which gadgets you'd like to see in our next video. Exoskeletons are no longer science fiction. Unlike the bulky predecessors, this exoskeleton is lightweight and easy to wear. Plus, there's an inflatable airbag right around your waist. So this thing has two different modes. In outdoor mode, it uses two actuators to push your legs forward, making your hike way easier to handle. Thanks to the smart AI algorithms, this thing can adapt to any environment and various activities. When in fitness mode, the exoskeleton brings some additional resistance, which makes your workouts more intense. The intensity is adjustable, and you're free to choose between two types of resistance, extension and flexion. The gadget lasts about 3 hours on one charge, and what's really cool, it uses your own energy during workouts to recharge the battery. Okay, these earbuds combine great sound quality with an innovative ergonomic design. The buds use several built-in sensors to track your head's motion, providing an immersive sound experience. What's really cool, they feature active noise cancellation. You can turn it off and on with the push of a button or activate the transparency mode in case you need to hear what's happening around you. The buds also stand out with the flexible wingtip design that ensures safe and comfortable fit. Feel free to wear them in any weather. They're splash-proof and sturdy. As for the battery, the buds alone last up to 7 hours, and the charging case provides about 3 times that. Awesome! Building a perfect posture takes years of hard training, unless you have this little thing. By pulling back your shoulders and realigning the spine, it relieves back pain and provides a long-term effect. The gadget's extremely easy to use. Put on the back brace and attach the muscle stimulation device. It tones and strengthens your muscles, which corrects your posture in the most natural way. If you're only interested in the upper back muscles, the compact version should be more than enough. But for a complete spine alignment, you should go with the larger model. A mobile app lets you adjust the intensity and speed of your muscle training and track your results. Nice. Welcome to Apple Heaven. Combining Qi wireless charging with USB-C output, this power bank lets you charge 4 devices at a time. There's a special pad for your Apple Watch and AirPods along with a larger output for the iPhone. Actually, it works with any Qi-enabled smartphone, and the USB-C port delivers 20-watt fast charging. The gadget's powered by a 10,000 mAh battery and can be charged either wirelessly or via USB-C in just an hour and a half. And thanks to the compact, foldable design, this thing is perfectly suited for travel. Turn your self-balancing Segway scooter into a water-blasting artillery piece. The kit includes everything you need to upgrade your vehicle: the seat and armrests, 2 joysticks, and a sturdy steel frame. And of course, a bunch of water bullets. Installation is going to take some time, but it isn't rocket science. Controlling your vehicle is no harder than a video game. Use the joysticks to move around and press the trigger to shoot. Thanks to the built-in RGB lights, you can play safely in any lighting conditions. You can also pair this thing with the mobile app and control the vehicle remotely. Best of all, there's no need to clean your battlefield after the game. The water bullets simply evaporate into eco-friendly power. Here's a spoon that makes your food tastier. No kidding. It looks like a regular spoon from first glance, but the coolest part is hidden inside. This thing is equipped with galvanic sensory technology. When the spoon touches your tongue, it uses a small electrocurrent that passes through your food, enhancing the taste and flavor. Don't be afraid, guys. It's absolutely harmless. The spoon is entirely made of food-safe materials, and you can rinse with water, as usual. Featuring an advanced navigation technology, this robot becomes your ultimate home assistant. It's trained to avoid all kinds of obstacles completely on its own. The robot follows you everywhere and lets you send a message or reminder to any family member. You might also ask it to play a podcast or make a video call. The human-like face expressions ensure this guy will make friends with everyone, especially the kids. In addition, the robot is equipped with a retractable periscope that lets you see any place in your house while you're away. If anything goes wrong, this guard will sound an alarm and send you an instant notification. Using the dedicated mobile app, you can control the robot remotely and adjust all the settings. For instance, you might set restricted areas or turn off the mics and cameras in case you need some privacy. No need to worry about charging. The robot automatically finds its station, taking just 45 minutes to fully charge. Next up, we have a bunch of really cool cases. This one's for your iPhone. With its natural leather design, the case looks like a vintage book cover. Now check this out. There's an integrated wallet with a bunch of separate slots for your cards and cash. Plus, it doubles as a stand for hands-free YouTube and Zoom calls. But the set will be incomplete unless you put these covers on your MacBook and iPad. So the MacBook case features a bungee hinge design which allows you to use the laptop with the case on or slide it out with ease. And the iPad version stands out with an interior pocket for your Bluetooth keyboard along with some space for your Apple Pencil. Also, given the retro book aesthetics, this case perfectly suits the Kindle Paperwhite ebook. The integrated kickstand will hold the gadget for you, while the automatic wake and sleep function helps preserve the battery. You might collect an entire library with all these cases. Now, most people use air purifiers at home, but what will protect your lungs outdoors? Meet the Wearable Purifier. Well, it looks kind of weird, but hey, we're talking about health here. So this thing brings all levels of protection, a bunch of foam and HEPA filters, UV light, and then another layer of premium carbon filters. Plus, the magnetic design lets you easily attach the transparent face mask or even a full face screen. The smooth, curved shape lets you comfortably wear the gadget throughout the day. By the way, this thing lasts up to 8 hours on one charge, and whenever you need to take it off, the gadget folds up, which makes it easier to carry. So let's just give this thing credit for the futuristic Star Trek look. This is the ultimate wallet we've been waiting for, the one that's smart, compact, and really secure. So first, this thing has one killer feature, a built-in fingerprint reader, but it's not just that. The wallet also boasts Bluetooth and GPS connectivity. This allows you to pair it with your smartphone using the dedicated mobile app. If you leave your wallet somewhere, this app will notify you immediately, and the crowdsourced GPS function lets you track the gadget no matter how far it is. Despite the compact size, it holds up to 7 cards and 20 bills. Of course, this wallet requires charging, but only once a year, and it's definitely worth the effort. Meet a diving computer. Featuring up to 330 feet water resistance, this thing suits both scuba and freediving. The bright built-in screen displays plenty of stuff like the depth, dive time, and the temperature. You can even track your gas pressure using the compatible tank pod device. This thing also provides a compass and various alarms that prevent you from getting into trouble. 3 buttons on the side let you easily adjust the brightness, language, and other settings, and when you're back on land, this thing turns into a smartwatch that displays all your notifications. Plus, there's a companion mobile app that lets you relive all your dives and share them with friends. This portable console isn't just about playing games. The console looks super authentic with its 2.4-inch black and white screen, original D-pad, and swappable faceplate. Right out of the box, this thing has access to over 200 classic 8-bit games, and once you're done with them, here comes the coolest part. The console is provided with a fun and intuitive software platform that'll help you learn coding in C and C++. You might even redesign the whole menu and create different themes for your console. Learning has never been this fun. This wearable mouse provides a whole new way to interact with your favorite software using a huge variety of intuitive hand gestures. Copy, paste, scroll, and zoom, and all that without pressing a single button. Aside from the hand gestures, the mouse also allows seamless voice controls. The gadget connects directly to your PC via Bluetooth, so it doesn't need a receiver, and the latency is almost non-existent. And when a single mouse isn't enough, feel free to put on a second one.